At Church's, we think our farm-fresh, all-white meat tender strips are second to none. But what do you think, America? Here's your chance to try 3 of our hand-battered and breaded tender strips, a big honey butter biscuit made from scratch every day, and your choice of 2 delicious dipping sauces, purple pepper and new honey buffalo barbecue, all for just $3.49. Then tell us what you think at facebook.com/churcheschicken. But hurry, even though our tender strips always taste great, this offer won't last long.